Hi everyone!
Hi!
Now that we have your attention, I'd just like to introduce myself. My name is John Gonzalez with Rehab One Performance Center.
And I'm Gillian, the nutritionist here, and we're here today because I am ready to launch my 12-week wellness program, the Vibrant Wellness Project. My intent for this project was really to build it so people can finally step into their own power and become the CEO of their own health and wellness journey with lots of clarity and confidence shared along the way.
This program is going to be really for those who are looking to lose weight, change up their lifestyle. If you're an athlete that is looking to improve your performance, and if you're someone who has tried numerous diets before and it just didn't really work out. This program has three main components that make it super successful. And the first component is that you are given the 12 weeks of great information and knowledge to help you build on your foundational wellness.
Yeah. Those educational resources are key.
That's right.
Second component is the one-on-one coaching sessions with me. So you get to choose if you want me on a weekly basis or bi-weekly basis.
And the third component is the really most popular. It's an individualized meal plan, and also comes with a recipe book. So you're told what to eat, and as well as how to prepare that meal.
Yeah, and those meal plans are really tailored to their individual needs. If you want more information on the Vibrant Wellness Project, you need to text the letters VWP to 506-962-1740, and someone will get back to you as soon as possible and get you started on your wellness journey.
After taking a look at this program, guys, at the ins and outs and everything that's involved in it, I truly believe this is probably the most comprehensive program that really is to be offered in our area. And I know that Gillian has poured her heart and soul into it. I'm so excited for everybody and for Gillian and all of her hard work. So thank you very much, everyone.
Thank you.